Here we have another project. So this is the auction site online bidding. So here user can post their product, other user can buy that product by bidding the product. So let's learn how to make auction site in this video. It's a web application project, and now we'll show the demo in ASP.NET with C# and SQL Server. So if you're doing any CS course, that is a computer science course, and you need to do a project, I think it's the ideal project for you. So watch the complete video and then learn like how to make this. So here we have the different steps to make the bidding. So you can list the product, then check the product, then you can put the price. That's how auction take place. So e-auction is the one actually where user can post their product online and the other users can auction for it. That means they can quote for the price. Whoever quote the maximum price, they are the winner and the product will be sent to them. Therefore, any product which you are not using, you can always sell and you can make the money. So this was the logic behind this particular project idea. So let's understand the project, and you can see there are n number of products you can sell on the online, and that to be you can place the base price, and based on that user can hike the price and they can buy. So therefore user will think whether it is useful for them. If it is useful, they will buy the product. So the whole logic is to sell the product, or you can place for the bidding. So auction. So will the user sign up first, so they can sign up to the site. They can log in. So there is an option to post the product. So here you can specify the product, what product it is, and what is the base price. So all the details you can put it over there. Then there is an option called as a product bidding or product auction. The other user can browse this product and they can place the price for this. And then you have a my product list. My product list will give what is your product and what is the present bidding. So with this we can have another module, admin module, to manage everything. So in the admin module, admin can log in. So you go to main page. Here you can create the categories. So what are the categories available, and then admin can be able to view the user list. Then admin has to give the approval for the products. So therefore user shouldn't enter any wrong item. So therefore here there is an approval system to check what the user is posting. So what are the posting is done, that admin will check, then give the approval, then only it is available for the bidding. So if it is not approved, then it is not available for the bidding. This is the overall concept of this project. So I'll show the demo now. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. So subscription is free, and once you subscribe, so the name will be there in the left side of your window. Therefore whenever you want, you can go to iBlix tutorials and you can browse them. So also if you need to do a project, probably you require different ideas. So in our channel we have many videos. Therefore right click on this and open in a new tab. So when you open the new tab, you can see iBlix tutorials, click on videos. So here we have different videos, different projects and different concepts, all related to the computer science projects. Therefore you can learn the project, how to make the project with the different titles. Also this is very useful in the interview time. So because whenever given an idea like how do you do this, how do you make this project, so therefore if you watch these videos, then you'll get an idea, like for example cricket database. Okay, so what all you want to do it in that, how do you make a project, how do you make it as a project, what are the options you'll provide. So therefore if you watch the video, then you'll get a clear picture what are the options you can make. So once you have this much of idea, then enhancing the idea is very simple and very easy. Therefore watch the videos and then learn and then gain the knowledge, and definitely helpful for your interviews also. So you can always get a better job. Fine. So anyhow, we'll come back to this project. Now let's do that, how to do the auction site. And here we are using the master pages. So you also has to learn like how to use the master page. So this is the master page. So it will have a top picture, and then there is a menu here. So code you need to write is a table row. So you need to write a table ASP. This is the ASP coding, particularly HTML. So this is the table cell and the table concept. So with that we can create the menu here, and same way there is another master page, user master page. This master page will come always for every page, therefore you can make a master page and then you can utilize the options. But if it's compulsory, then definitely it will have the lot of benefit. Right, so there are so many other pages too, and here is the database, and if I expand this, so we'll get the tables. So these are the tables which are using in this particular project. Fine. First we'll move on and then run the project. So select the project, so just click the run button, so project will run. So here you can see that I'm already running the project. This is the main page. From here you can get in, so we'll go to that, and then you can go to admin. So here you can type admin, then admin, login. So these are the options in the admin. So we can create the categories. So let's say I want to create a car category, cars. So main menu. So if you go to category list, you have a car, then you have a general category, main menu. Then register user list, overall users registered with us, that list will come here. Then approval, so any new product is uploaded by the user, that will come for the approval. We need to give the approval here. Then these are the products which are available for the bidding. And final bidder list, who is the final bidder for each product. And then feedback. So if the customer send the feedback, you can able to view the feedback here. So these are the options which are there in the admin. Now let's look at the user options. Copy the main address, there is a localhost and then port number. Once you enter, then we'll come back to main page. Now we'll go to the user login. You can also go to user sign up to sign up. So login. So you can see the categories, car, general. So if you enter more data, then automatically it will be displayed over there. Then browse product to bid. So this is the one already entered, so available for the bidding. Put product for bidding. So now you want to sell the product. Okay. So let's say Maruti. Fine. So then you can give some name here. Fine. So this is Vitara car. Bidding price, it's around 8 lakh rupees. Specifications, so 1 year old. Bidding terms, 10,000. Increase. Okay, let's make it 5,000. Okay. And last date for bidding, that you need to select and choose the file. So let's take the car file. Okay. Save. Now you can see that this is register for the bidding. Now if you come to admin, so in the admin you can see that product approval. So if you click this, you can see the car is there. So this is a A1 user and this is the 8 lakh. So select this. So now it's approved. And if you enter the same page again, nothing is there to approve. So now we can log out and we can log in as other user. Let's say 3, login. So products for bidding. So here there is a Maruti and there is a mobile phone. Select this, so the car picture will come. So now we can make 8 lakh 5,000 or 25,000. So bid for this product bidded list. So what are the products you bidded? That list is there here. My own products. So you don't have any own product, so it's not there. So you can log out. So then A1 will be login again. A1 because the car belongs to him, right? So now you can see my own product list. So it is there here. Fine. So here you can see the pricing. So that is 8,25,000 rupees. So that is A3. Bidder name is A3. So you can check out like who is the final bidder, and then you can communicate with them, and we can sell the product to particular person. Even in the admin side also, admin can also able to view it. Product now you can see that its initial price is 8 lakh. Now it's running for the 8,25,000 rupees. So that's how the bidding concept works. So it's an entry-level project. You can always improve this project. So I hope you understand the concept. So learn this, and then you can implement in any language. You can write in ASP.NET, or you can Java, or in PHP, or in Python. So any language will do the job. Try it out. So let me know what you're thinking. If you have anything to say to us, please write it in the comment box. So please subscribe to our channel. So your subscription helps us to bring more videos here, and we'll bring a lot of things to understand how to make the projects, and also we'll teach you soon like how you can write the complete video or complete project step by step. Thank you.